Dekat Mafa, we build mutual trust through common purpose. Jadi kita ada singular purpose, okay, which is our vision and mission. And then kita punya pillar tu berpaksi kepada A, B, C, D. Satu, kita ada ability, okay. Number two is believable, okay. Number three is connected, and D is dependable, okay. Dan kalau kita tengok these values is actually applicable in a lot of places and also our practice. For example, if kita nak ambil orang baru contohnya, kita akan interview dia dan kita akan assess dia punya ability, okay. Jadi somebody, for you to be able to trust someone, they must have the ability, for that role that they are doing, okay, for the role that you are employing them for, they must have that ability, okay. And as they perform the work, and all that, it must be believable, okay. It must be believable. That means kita suruh dia buat certain task, dia boleh deliver. Dia boleh deliver dengan baik, dia boleh deliver on time, and preferably dia boleh exceed the expectation lah, okay. So that means this person is believable, okay. Kemudian connected, okay. Connected means we are able to talk to each other, we are able to communicate, and we are able to also listen with empathy, okay. So that we can understand our teams better, okay. It's not about good or bad, right or wrong. It's about finding, that point where we can work together as a team, to achieve our goals, okay. Kemudian bila benda ni dah berjalan secara tak langsung, kita nampak yang kalau dia buat kerja, ikut apa yang diperlukan, kita dekat Mafa kita practice, the thumbs up punya level, okay. So there's 5 levels of expectation. Kalau yang ketiga tu, okay, which is that finger between this, that is basically just the normal expected work, tapi kalau dia go above and beyond, maksudnya macam mana kita nak tengok above and beyond ni is dia siapkan kerja dia on time, dia tolong team members, okay, buat kerja the team. At the same time, dia extend juga that support to members outside of his or her direct team, okay. So kalau orang yang macam tu, dia dapat thumbs up lah, okay. So that is when we can really truly appreciate that our team are dependable, okay. So these are some of the values yang kita develop lah dengan our team dekat Mafa, and at the same time this is also the same things that we share with our growth partners, okay.